Hello, welcome to Tetrix. I will probably take this one off so you can hear what I'm saying. Today we're going to release on the net a way for you to make one of these sneeze guards. If you want to make one of these, you go in to StopSneeze.com and then you choose where you have do-it-yourself sneeze guards. You download a PDF, open that up, and then you simply print it out. Once you have printed it out, you will end up receiving something looking like this. You will need a pair of scissors, and then you cut it out by the lines of the guard. Here you will make holes for the bungees that will go around your ear, and then you make two cutouts here where you have the lines, and then you simply bend it together. The StopSneeze guard has two locks here that will bend and go inside the holes that you see here. When you mount your sneeze guard, you simply roll it together and you press it through those holes. Be sure when you put it through here that it doesn't go all the way through, because then it's easier to bend the next one and then you tighten the whole thing so it becomes firm. After that, you take bungees. You probably have these in your drawer in the office table. These are about 100 millimeters long. You put it through and then you simply pull it like that. The shape of it is ideal for any size of user, because you have nose part here and then you have a sloping under part. So it also fits children. You can, the cheek goes in here, so you just tighten it. If there's a very young one who uses these, you should simply put an extra knot here to shorten the bungee a little bit, and then it will fit tightly on. We also have other products that we have developed. Shield stands to protect viruses flying into our desks. We have oxygen. It's like for hospital use, where you treat patients, avoiding to get coughed or sneezed on. And we have dispensers, special dispensers for sanitizing gel and sanitizing liquids that fits every bottle. They are called a patent dispenser, but that's too much information. Look down below and you will find more links and interesting products. At least here you have a sneeze guard totally for free. Takes a little bit of handiwork, but it's worth it. It stops viruses spreading around the user. Thank you.